Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and even before we dive into the awesome Sunday haul over at Walgreens, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. Well, if you've never heard of this app or not signed up, today is the day to sign up. You basically go to the App Store, use my referral code, photograph your first receipt. It could be a pack of gum or an Egg McMuffin that you bought last week. You're given $2, which is 2,000 points. Well, as many of you know, we have a construction project going in our basement. Anytime that we need to go buy some paint or something like that, these gift cards have really been helping out, especially for this basement remodel. And it's stuff like groceries that I'm buying that I'm getting points back towards gift cards, and Home Depot and Lowe's are included. It's a big game changer, and you can photograph anything from a restaurant, store receipts, and get points towards gift cards. And if you're an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on about 9,000 receipts. Download the app, use my referral code, and photograph a bunch of them. You could be drinking Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks coffee this afternoon. So check out the link in the notes, and don't forget to use my referral code. Okay, mes amis, as you know, lots of managers watch my YouTube channel, and this is what I'm hearing across the board, that on Thursday, January the 7th, clearance will hit 70% off. We will have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday to get whatever Christmas merch you want at that 70% off ticket, and then it'll get boxed off and sent off to a warehouse where it'll probably be sold to people that do retail arbitrage. 70%, that is it. So love it or hate it, that's what it is. And I just wrote up a little list here of stores right now that have active clearance, and these are the percentages off, including Rite Aid at 90% off. So I will show you some of the merchandise I found today at that percentage off. Walgreens right here. And believe it or not, this haul was free plus a $3.31 moneymaker, my kind of week over at Walgreens. So I'm really happy about that. Rite Aid, some items went 90% today. Other items are 75% off, part of their Christmas clearance. So I did grab a couple items. And then we have a little bit of Meijer over here we'll talk about at the very end. Weather report for you guys. Well, it's kind of a cooler one. Look, there's some icicles on the tree. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, so the first store that we're going to talk about is Walgreens. Now, last night I made a video about this, which is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleaning Towelettes. Has to be this exact one. How I found the digital coupons, guys, is you have to look up this item in the app or on a desktop computer. And then when you're scrolling at the top or the bottom where it says coupons, that's where you'll press. You'll see a $1 and then an $8. If your account doesn't have the $8 one, apologies in advance. Maybe it's a thing that not every account got it, but I know that I think probably about 30 of you, either between Instagram and YouTube, I saw that you did in fact score this. If you were going to do this deal, do it as a curbside pickup, because I tried to do it in store this morning and it's not working. The $8 coupon did not come off for me. I have an exceptionally nice manager who just threw $8 of Walgreens cash on my store card because the coupon did not come off. So I think the easiest way to do this is to either grab the items that are $8.99 a pop, or alternatively do it as a curbside pickup, as this item is $7.99 and the coupon gets reduced down to cost. So just to answer that question, because I know a lot of you had it, but I still use this to get my basket to 30. So the first basket of items that I got is all this stuff, and there's a ton of clearance stuff we're gonna talk about at 90% off, including Money Makin' Dove. So guys, this is a $30 basket. I had a 10 off of 30 I had to use by Thursday, so that's what I did. And I used it in store, and it worked beautifully for me. So just to go through, all of this stuff is 90% off, which is insane. So this Dove, it's like a hairspray, and it was 69 cents each. It's called Extra Hold Hairspray. I'm going to show you guys the UPC too, if you want to go look for the exact same one as if it'll ever focus. So this is a money making deal. Grab 3 of these, and it's called Extra Hold Hairspray. Hopefully that's picking up for you guys. It's hard to show this one because it's such a clear bottle. So this guy, it's called Style and Care Extra Hold Hairspray, and I just showed you the UPC, and it's at a number 5. This guy is on clearance for 69 cents, or 64 cents, pardon me. So for 4 of them, that's $1.92. You would pay that. I just wanted it to fill out my basket to 30 bucks, to be perfectly honest. And they're having a promotion with Dove this week and this in fact gave me back $3 of Walgreens cash. So I paid $1.92 and got back $3 of Walgreens cash, making this free, plus a $1.08 money maker. No coupons even needed. So the Head and Shoulders at 90% off. This guy was 74 cents. It's a shampoo and conditioner combo. Hey, that's a really great price point. I guess this is on a buy one, get one 50% off. The first one was like 39 cents. The other one was 19. So it was 58 cents for the two. Pantene, 49 cents. Original price point, $4.99. This is really good if you have long hair and you like to give it a deep conditioning. What a great little deal. Now I got some other items, just meat and potato stuff to get my basket right to 30. That include 3 Crest. They're $3 a pop. So for 3 of them, that's $9. Use 1 $2 digital and 2 $2 ones from the January P&G. Subtract $6 right there, guys. You're left with paying 3, and then you get back a $4 register reward, making it free plus a $1 money maker. Then for the Colgate, these are $3.99 a pop. So for 2 of them, that's $7.98. I only had $1 digital coupon, but I had the 10 off of 30. So I'm not going to lose any sleep over that. $6.98. You're supposed to get back a $5 register reward. Mine did not print for whatever reason. The cashier just gave me $5 in Walgreens cash. So, you know, it's not the worst deal, and I wanted this to bulk up the basket to 30 because all of this stuff was like, 14 cents each. And then the Cottonelle was $4.99, and it just got my basket, right to like past the $30 mark. So for all of this merchandise, like this is just one big transaction. It was like $34. My 10 off of 30 Walgreens cash came off, and let's just pretend that this $8 one came off. Actually, I should have got the $8.99 product, but whatever. I should have paid $8.69 out of pocket after my $15 of manufacturers. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash in this specific booster when you have like a 10 off of 30. And then I got back a $5 of points for this, or register reward. It didn't print. A 4 for this one. And then I got back $3 in Walgreens cash for the Dove. So it made this, after everything was said and done, free plus a $3.31 moneymaker. Fetch Rewards, this and this is part of their catalog. I'm going to get back extra points for that. And like, how fantastic is that? So you can make it out to Walgreens to look for some of this shampoo business clearance. Make it happen, guys, because there's some deals and steals to be had and found when you have 90% off of hair care. I mean, that's a little something called awesome. So Rite Aid this morning, some of their stuff went 90%, and it's a lot of their Christmas stuff. Well, I found this at-home disinfectant maker. It was $34.99. It kills 99% of germs and bacteria and evil. And this guy was $3.49. I thought my mom and mother-in-law might want to make at-home disinfectant, at least my mom at the very least, because I know that she'll absolutely, this is a pretty good product for $3.49 for sanitation. So I thought definitely my mom will give her one of those, but what a great price point. The rest of the stuff I have here, guys, is 75% off. I always like these letter boards. I always think that's such a cool gift to give out as a, just a little gift. So these are $5. I got them for $1.25, so that's 75% off. And then these little lip smackers, this is actually in the beauty care aisle. All of this stuff was 75% off. So all of these were like $1.24. I have 3 nieces and then a family friend. They have a small child, little girl. And I thought, you know, maybe for next Christmas, you could throw these in a stocking. They're just so super cute, you know, like what a great little gift. Okay, so the last store that we have is Meijer, and Meijer is specifically in the Midwest. No sister store. Google your location and the word Meijer if you might have the store or not. First deal, this is really fantastic, and this is going right till the 31st of January. It is with these Empress paper towels. I would do a curbside pickup where you would order a case of it online. A case of 30 of these paper towels is actually $7.50. They are on a buy one, get 3 for free promotion. So it makes each paper towel 25 cents each for a case of 30. And I did this a couple days ago, ordered it, drove to the store, you know, little section they have for curbside pickup. You call a number and then they bring out your order. And this is like, you know, really good deal. And they brought out an entire box for me. It wasn't like 15 bags with a paper towel. I know that a lot of us have like super strict restrictions where you can't get more than 2 of these. But the curbside, they're allowing this. I think the store over ordered this specific product, a ton of it, during the pandemic, and that's why they're just basically, you know, a quarter each. So I would do this if you can. Like, what a fire deal. Till January the 9th, it is these Febreze plugs on 70% off. They are $2.49. We have a $5 mperk, or alternatively a $5 coupon from the January P&G. It reduces down, guys, and you're basically getting this for tax. So it'll reduce down the cost right to free, once per store card, and you can use 2 coupons from the January P&G to get 2 of these for free. Christmas stuff also hit 70% off. I got this little Coke can for $2.08. I thought it was just super cute and I had to have it. Lots of really cool stuff. I'm thinking, guys, on Saturday, January the 9th, it will hit 90%. So next Saturday, if you love all things Christmas, you might want to head out to Meijer, or at the very least be on social media. Follow my Instagram to see if it's hitting 90 or not. I'll let you guys know. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.